The following video is meant as a quick reference to the installation of the dynamic V8 air cleaning system. It is not meant to supersede the V8 installation manual, local codes, or common sense. If you have any questions, please call your Dynamic rep or call Dynamic directly at 800-578-7873. The V8 is a modular system that stacks in the air handler filter section and is attached to both vertical posts and the sidewalls. After the modules are fastened in place, any gaps are sealed using aluminum foil tape. The modules wire one to the next and then back to the control panel to ensure continuity. The dynamic control panel converts line voltage into the 24-volt AC that the air cleaners require. Overall, the installation of the V8 system is fairly straightforward, and we hope this video makes it even more so. Again, please call Dynamic with any questions or comments. Let's get started. Begin by removing any shipping bracing, framing, or filter racks from the air handler section. All V8 modules in a section are the same width and are centered and evenly spaced across the section. If there are an even number of modules in the bottom row, then the center of the center post will be at the center of the section. The distance between posts will be the overall module width minus 1 1/4 inches. If there are an odd number of modules, the center module should be centered in the section. If necessary, cut the posts at the interior height of the air handler, attach the mounting brackets to the top and bottom of each post, and slide them into position on the marks previously made. Attach the brackets to the floor and ceiling of the air handler using number 10 screws. Cut the provided aluminum filler angles to fit between the posts and attach them to the ceiling of the air handler. This will provide a uniform surface to attach the blank-off flashing to. If the end modules are less than 1.5 inches from the sidewall, no end posts are required. If this is the case, now install the blank-off angles on the side walls of the air handler. The modules are numbered and a diagram is provided for proper location. With 2 people, place the first module in the proper position on the floor of the air handler. Install the remaining row of modules in the same manner, following the numbered diagram. Attach the modules to the posts with number 8 screws using the pre-drilled holes in the flange. Continue stacking and attaching the modules following the numbered sequence in the diagram. Measure and cut sheet metal to blank off the open spaces at the top of each column and on both sides. Screw the blank offs into place. At this point, the sheet metal sealing of the filter bank should be accomplished. The overall seal of the filter bank is critical to system performance. Air gaps will permit unfiltered air to go into the space and will greatly impact removal efficiencies. The next step in the sealing process is very important. Seal the gaps between the modules with the aluminum tape provided. To ensure proper adhesion, wipe all surfaces clean with a solvent or alcohol. Be sure to press the tape firmly onto the metal. A Sharpie pen body or screwdriver handle works well for this. Then seal any gaps and seams in the flashing in the same manner. The electrical hookup of the V8 system can vary in several ways from installation to installation. Most of these are minor. The rest of this video will cover the basic steps. Please consult the submittals or your Dynamic rep for the specifics of your application. Connect the modules with the jumper wires that are provided. Next, you will connect the wiring harnesses to the top and bottom modules as shown in the wiring diagram. Run the wire along the face of the mounting posts and across the top of the air handler towards the side where the control panel will be mounted. Route the wires from the air cleaner bank to the control panel and use grommets to protect the wires from sharp edges and seal any gaps. Attach the wall mounting brackets to the back of the control panel. Note the pre-wired connectors on the bottom of the enclosure. Attach the control panel to the side of the air handler or duct enclosure. If mounted on the outside, drill a hole through the wall and route the wiring harness through. again taking care not to damage the wires and to seal any gaps. Connect the wiring harness to the connectors on the bottom of the control panel. Connect the control panel to the appropriate line voltage and turn the system on. The red light indicates 24-volt power to the system, and the blue light indicates continuity through the modules and back to the panel. Your system is now ready to clean the air. Thanks for your time and attention. Again, if you have any questions, please contact your Dynamic rep or Dynamic directly at 800-578-7873. Thanks.